Today, we're looking at the Bose Smart Soundbar 900. Now, this sleek soundbar packs a powerful punch that's here to take your home cinema to the next level. Bose has been a pioneer in the audio industry for over half a century. Their commitment has always been to sound quality and innovation. Is this new product an exception? No, it's not. As we've come to expect from Bose, the product comes very nicely packaged. It's even got this little carry handle. Inside the box is the soundbar itself, along with the power cable, a Bose HDMI cable, optical cable, the Adapt IQ headset for calibration, and it comes with a trusty remote control, because sometimes you can't beat a good old remote. Now, let's just take a moment and admire the sleek profile of this premium product. Bose has implemented a glass and metal construction, creating a sturdy and premium feel and a look that will be at home in any living room. But it's not just about looks. The Bose Smart Soundbar 900 is packed with impressive tech that will enhance your audio experience. So let's talk about the most important thing: sound quality. The soundbar comes equipped with 9 Bose quality speakers, including 2 upward firing dipole transducers, which are brand new and unique to the Soundbar 900. And for any of you guys like me that have no idea what that means, here's a handy description on screen. The real magic happens in the synergy between this hardware and Dolby's world-renowned Atmos technology. Dolby Atmos can use a traditional surround sound system to create an immersive 3D audio environment. Now I bet you're wondering, how does a single speaker system do that? It's a bit of Bose magic and 9 uniquely positioned speakers. The wizards over at Bose have carefully positioned each of these 9 speakers to place sounds around you in different parts of the room. So even though the soundbar is physically in front of you, you may hear sounds behind you. And don't worry, if you've got content that wasn't mastered in Dolby Atmos, Bose's True Space technology allows you to emulate this, creating a very similar effect. You can achieve this effect straight out the box. As soon as you've plugged in, the results are pretty impressive straight away. However, you can enhance these even further using the Adapt IQ headset, which is included. As you can see, it's a fairly quick ordeal, although it will look like you're undergoing some kind of examination. Setup is very straightforward. You just need to plug it in at the wall, place the soundbar in front of your TV, and make sure it's plugged in to the eARC HDMI on your TV. You'll be greeted with a delightful Bose startup chime, at which point you can download the Companion app. This will allow you to update your product, as well as open up a world of features to create a whole home audio experience. Now I know some of you are sitting there wondering what makes this Soundbar 900 so smart. Well, the Smart Soundbar comes with built-in voice control, allowing you to control your soundbar hands-free. Ask it to turn up the volume, change the channel, check the weather forecast. All of this is doable without having to lift a finger. So what's the point in all this tech? Well, for starters, it's fantastic for your home theatre system, watching your favourite shows or films. It's also brilliant for gaming. Having immersive 3D sound whilst you're playing your favourite game really draws you into the experience. And to top it all off, it can be used as a very high quality Bluetooth speaker if you have your friends round for a chilled glass of wine. Finally, let's not forget that this can be used in combination with all other Bose smart products. You can also adjust the EQ to your liking and rather ingeniously adjust the height, which allows you to really dial in that 3D audio experience. Well, there you have it, folks. Great design, exceptional audio quality, and some pretty great smart features. This is definitely a soundbar that stands out in a very crowded market. Thank you all very much for watching, and goodbye.